Okay, here we are again. Let's have a look at my desktop to see what's on tap. Ah, a nice B. Okay. I hope this will be a short session. I'm going to set up the Cron tab for the course. The Cron doesn't stand for anything, just CRON, is basically an instruction that is executed at regular time intervals. You might think of it as the heartbeat of the course. So for things that I want to happen automatically at a given time, Cron will be the thing that starts them up. So to set Cron, I'm going to go into the Reclaim Hosting cPanel application. So I have to log in, of course. And again, I just use one password for all my logins. That gives me nice random crazy passwords that I could never remember on my own. And we'll go into cPanel. So I have one account with reclaimdowns.ca with all my different domains on it. Well, my two different domains. Well, I guess fallacies.ca is on it as well. Okay, anyhow. So, down into Cron. It's going to be down here somewhere. Cron jobs. It's under advanced. Okay, so add new Cron job. So they have actually a pretty nice interface here. So here we can see, here's the cron job for my eLearning 3.0 MOOC. And here's the cron job for my website. And actually, since eLearning 3.0 is long since over, and I don't know why I'm still running this, I'll just edit this cron job and turn it into my ethics cron job. Okay, that's kind of cheating, but okay, well, I will edit it. Oh, come on. Trying to edit it. Huh. Okay. Oh, I see. It's a little drop-down window here. All right. So, these stars indicate the time. So if it's a star, it's every weekday, or I could put a number like 3 and it'll be the third weekday, which I guess is Tuesday or maybe Wednesday. Month similarly, day similarly, and down to minute, if I put 10, it'll be like at 10 minutes after each hour every day. I've got them all stars. My cron jobs run once a minute. Yeah. So I want it to run this script, ethics.mooc.ca, and this script, now the things that follow the name of the script are the input variables that I'm sending to the script. So ethics.mooc.ca, Excelsior is a no longer used key, so that people can't run cron illicitly. I don't know if that could ever happen, but I put that in anyways. Now ethics.mooc.ca/data multi-site text. That's where to find the site definition file, and then where to put the output. So I'll start this, and so I'll edit line, edit successful. That should probably say save line instead of edit line, because edit generally refers to the start of the process and line refers to the end. This last thing here, target dev null, I can have it send me email automatically, and it would be whatever the output of this command is. every time Cron runs. If I had any doubts that it was running, that's what I would do. But I don't really have any doubts that it's running. But what I'm going to do is maybe give it some new stuff to harvest. Yeah, I'll give it something new to harvest as well. And so it should harvest it on its own and send it to me. So, but anyhow, that's the cron part of this task done. So I don't need to be in here anymore. So I'll get out of here. And that took me a total of 5 minutes plus the explanations. So now let's come here. Just give it something else to harvest. So new feed. Or let's list the feeds that I have. All right, let's list all of the feeds that I have. OL daily. Okay, that's good. So I don't need to redefine this. Harvest. Okay, I don't have a link yet. HTTP ca/news/oldaily.xml. So that's the address of my OL daily feed. So, and now I'll put this as approved. And okay, so we're good. So this should harvest on its own. The way the harvester works is it'll run. Well, the cron runs every minute. The harvester runs every 10 minutes. And basically what happens is the script starts up every minute, and then it looks at the time, and then it does a calculation. Has 10 minutes passed? Okay, I'll run the harvester. It's not exactly how it does it, but it's close enough. And so when the harvester runs, it'll harvest the next X number of feeds in the queue. And there's only 2, so it'll probably harvest these every time. Well, it won't harvest them if it is just finished harvesting them. It'll allow a decent interval. And these are all variables that are predefined. They have defaults, but you can also set them in the harvester. So the harvester will harvest the contents automatically. It'll throw all of the links that it harvests, and there are links there, into the links database. So recall, here they are, list link, and hasn't harvested yet. I don't think. No. So it hasn't harvested from OL Daily yet. But of course, might take as much as 10 minutes for that to happen. Assuming the harvester is running, let's check and see that the harvester is running. Harvester, enable harvester, yes. Okay. And then submit, enable harvesting. And notice cron is now green, so cron is now running. And the harvester should say yes now. He says hopefully. It's going to be annoying to me, isn't it? Okay, let's reset this. All right. And now harvester, yes, and it says yes. So, okay, harvester should be running. Cron is running, so that should happen. So everything should happen automatically now. It should harvest the links from OL Daily, and any new links I put into half an hour, but I don't have any stories on the go, so it should put those into the RSS feed. Let's check and make sure that that page is updating automatically. List page. So here is course newsletter RSS. So is that page updating automatically? Auto pub, yes. It's only daily. Let's have it auto pub hourly. That way we can be reasonably sure that the content will be updated before the newsletter is sent. And let's also, so that should be happening automatically, and I'll turn on the JSON newsletter as well. So that's auto pub, and we'll make sure that this is publishing hourly again. So I have 0 applications using the JSON version of the course newsletter, but it does exist. I believe it's valid JSON. It was last time I looked. So that should be generating automatically, and we're all set. So like I said, short video for Cron. Everything seems to be in order, and I'll know a little bit later this afternoon when I get those newsletters. I'm pretty sure I'll get one newsletter in each of my 2 email addresses, and I'm pretty sure everything will work. Yeah, I actually am. So there we go. That's it. That's a wrap. So let me shut her down, and we'll move on to the next thing.